Auto-judge.
But just take a look at this.
Naging judgmental ako sa kalaban.
It's forest.
It's forest.
Oh my God.
I remember. Naalala ko to.
Mario. Okay, sige. Hanap tayo ng mariread. Sayang, nag-stream pala si Derek. O, ano ba nilaro niya kanina? Ikukumpara ko.
I need somebody to...
At saka laruin ko later yung DS version.
Maya.
Alam ko na. Huwag ko munang kunin yung gunpowder.
Ang pangit ng version ko.
Huwag ko munang kunin yung gunpowder pagkatapos.
Lagyan na ang daming...
Oh no. Oh, okay. Got it.
Might want to check what songs do I have.
Look at this.
Oh my fuck.
That's it. We've got to find a way out of here. Now!
Okay, saan yung isa dito?
Warning. Missile attack confirmed.
Really healthy kasi din cholesterol free or something. Nah. Especially yung mga hydrogen.
Tingin ko na yung handgun part. Sayang yun.
Oh yeah.
Kasi, may ka! Is this the one?
Wah! Lan, nag-hurricane rana. Yan, ang hirap. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Lumaday. Oh my God! Loko kayo! Huwag mo na ako magmadali.
Di ba may true form pa to si Lord Mayo, di ba? Yes, Miss, we finally beat Ricky Maru. Final thrust. Thrust kasi. I thought you said yun. Akala ko ba? I thought you said yun na. Photo. Ay, buti na ko nabalikan ko to. Photo A, oh. It's dated September 27. You've taken photo A. Uy! His flesh. So actually that's true naman, pero yeah. Hindi kasi keep in mind hindi karamihan kasi ng mga Pinoy, they are not really
Pa yung controller ko. Ito! RA3 naman! Ay, hindi. Clear pala yung natapos mo. Si Leon sunod. John Mike and TNTS, thanks for smashing like. Maze. Ayos ah. Okay, asa na entrance? Kung maze yan, asa na entrance? Wait, if I talk to him, because I'm trying to save these extra lives for the final stage. It's always one time. Oh,
ay, putang ina mo! Tang ina mo, nagbabasa ako dito. Putang ina.
Walang hiya ka, Julius.
Gago, tingnan lang din.
Ha?
Di mo naman, tang ina. Nagbabasa ako, biglang gumano sa...
I told you, don't worry. I'll just go and get some fresh air. Be eaten by a monster.
Yung 80s version nun ang saya eh. Sige. Ang dami kong gamit. Ano? Wait nga lang, balik mo na ako dun sa ano. Ilagay.
Those buttons will be the guide. So,
So many. Awesome. Saan? Sa storage? What do you mean saan? Saan ba yung bangkay?
Sana.
Ayun ba yung...
Ano?
Yo, Bernie Scott, thanks for smashing like.
And the story that is a project.
Uy.
Sige. Okay.
Sinubukan ko nga! What? Level, okay. What is that?
Hey. You should not fight me if I see you. If you see me, I mean. Takin na, baliktad eh.
Now goes the traffic! I had an idea. Why don't you go out there and find your mother yourselves? The girl and Noma fixed a rusty spaceship and then a crew set sail into the starship. And this is how the... After that move! If I'm playing on a GBA, I don't know what I have to say. Sige, balik.
Anong you need to be suspicious? Then what's the point of sneaking around? Kung magiging suspicious yung kalaban sa'yo. Ang kaya talaga.
Hindi yung kalaban tinukoy ko. Soka!
Tayo yung kalaban sa ano nung tinigilan ko, parang laki ng ari. Ayun no, kita nyo ba? Gawa pa sa bakal yung ari, oh, grabe talaga. Hindi na nahihiya yung ano. Isa ka pa yung mapait daw.
Alam ko na! Ilonor out ko sila dito. Maybe that Bitcoin will help. Well, here we are. Let's check it out. Oh. May paniki.
Ofu would be 6 times back-to-back na ano. Kailangan A-ranking
Okay.
So basically, tatlong cycle lang ano, scenario A and B. So 3.
Actually, this is what I'm after.
Wala. I'm done fighting fair.
Teka. Ba duman si Nemesis.
Kiss na chichirya. Lagi ng kiss na chichirya. Meron bang ganun? Halikan ka ng...
Okay. Let's defeat Bowser. Or Bowser Jr. It's live. Okay. Wait. I have to refresh my browser. Ayan na si William.
By the way, Jay, nakikita mo na, parang...
Ayan na, Jay.
Yung... It's look really good. Sakto. Nabisto ko si Papa. Paano kaya kapag Digimon tas tank control katiri ang... Nakya. Tank control tas Digimon na... Yay!
Si Nikolai to o ano?
Nikolai! Joke lang.
It's live. Okay. Wait. I have to refresh my browser. Talon. Tile. Second tile. Third tile. Well, at least kahit pa paano na pag-live pa rin eh, ha? Again, sorry for the inconvenience. Mr. Cypher, if you're... Oh my god. What's it? Hole! My black hole! What? No. Right!
Nakuha ko na. So, kailangan ko munang mag-ano, no? Kailangan ko munang bumaba.
Putik naman, oh.
Resident Evil.
Infinite Ink Ribbon pala tong si Jill eh. Oh my god! Diyan ako dito ng walang star bits. Okay. Clear some doors. Sa podcast na lang. Save it for podcast na lang.
Doctor, we're here to collect the G-virus sample. Sorry.
Ganito na lang, ganito yung isip ko, Jay. Bakit lagyan ko na lang ng sagot? Ayun o, negate! Wag! Nga.
Bowser Jr.'s lava reactor. Extra health na lang. Extra health. That should take care of that piranha plant. Oh!
You're right.
Auto-judge.
But just take a look at this.
Naging judgmental ako sa kalaban.
It's forest.
It's forest.
Oh my God.
I remember. Naalala ko to. Do the rock what everybody wants! Ang klaseng grammar yun. Do the rock what everybody wants! Parang walang meaning.
The pair traveled through the starry skies, and though they encountered many other comets, not one of them held Luma's mother. Luma Let's go speeding! Yeah! You British monster!
King of Fighters, hindi naman si Rugal yung kinakalaban.
Ah. Okay.
Kahit nagbablock na ako, ang lakas pa rin ng damage. I can't believe this. This is hurting my soul. Gonna get ready my Magnum. Alam ko mauubos ang Magnum ko dito, but it is what it is. Eh di sana yung shotgun na lang kinuha ko. Fuck.
May black hole, may black hole, may black hole, may black hole.
Loh, yun.
That's the... This is ground When it rains, it pours. Oh, I got a feeling. Talunin si Mother Brain, ha? This is gonna be a huge shortcut. But on the bright side, pwede na maligo sa acid, oh. Pa na term. Hirap naman ito. Ah! Dulong-dulo, mali ako. Mag-speed key ako until this part. 5 Galaxy. Kung wala, exit na muna ako.
Talagang sa
medyo walang silbi itong
pinaghandaan.
Matanong ko lang, anong meron sa kwartong to? Okay, nandyan yung sa corner yung drawer, so...
Promise.
Alin? 1,
Kasi, tignan nyo guys, kung if we actually had this, kung may mga nuclear power plants na tayo dito, wala na kayo makikita mga live wires sa, yung sa mga kalsada, sa mga post.
That must be the pipe. Blasting through the sand.
Ang ganda ng PlayStation na rotating ni Yoshi. Pahiram nga ng niyan Itre, pahiram. Yeah.
Before operations
level 4
na. Alam po, Sir Pao, kasi nag-return fire ako eh.
Ano klase yun? Wait, ano to? Si Great Muta kasi naging
good pa rin naman. Okay. That's what I meant.
Magtayo ng...
I see a pipe! I see a pipe! I see a pipe! I see a pipe!
Magsisimula na pang paglalaban sa pagitan ni Ot at ni Nemesis. Tangina, parang ano yata, parang Ghost Fighter yata yun ah.
Kita na po ng 100% of kapangyarihan.
Lah. I see! If I died, I lost all my coins. Oh my god! Whoa, that was close. Ayun! There it is. I get used to it. Oh my god!
Arto, no? Wow! Uy!
Takbo.
Simpay, Bruman! Bu, sino ka? Di ka namin kilala. Wala na. Ang ano na.
Pati yung ano eh, pati yung mga kalaban. Kasalanan TTV kasi sindi. Oh fuck. Yeah. It's been a while since laro ko to. Shoutout din kay Blue Chip Joe. Ayan o, good evening sa mga sumama.
Oh god. Oh god! Sayang. Ang layo ko na. Find that weapon kung ano. Maano ko si Nikolai. Wala akong infinite rocket launcher on the other hand, ah. Yun lang. Ito, pagkatapos. Lah, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
Finally! You got here just in time to see the creation of my galaxy in the center of the universe! What did we...
Welcome back to Prateria. The goal is let's grab some items. Ayun kay.
Yeah, talaga.
Dumami bigla yung kalaban, ang dadaya ng mga tao. Huwag ka dito mga babae, kaya nga, mga lalaki dapat dito. Again, from the start. Mali-mali pa yung ano eh. Pangit pa ng accent. Still loving you.
Weird naman ito. Dulong-dulo, mali ako. Mag-speed key ako until this part.
Let me just check on ship. 50 cents, the wrapper. I'm just
Listen,
joking.
if something happens, let's meet up in this hall.
Akala ko Jill is master of headlocking.
Ay,
This time I'll be there.
headlocking nag-rest.
Headlocking. Barber! Zine Streams. Thanks for dropping by and lurking my stream. Sa mga viewers na nanonood as of this time, and sa mga replay live stream na ito, to all the viewers watching lurk my stream as of this time, and to all the viewers watching replay of this stream.
I will attend you. Wait lang. That's interesting. Taken by visitors because of Strata. According to the records, for a while after their arrival to this world, there were no...
Okay, let's find the last one. Don't tell me I have to go back to the bottom, or I skip it.